Nah, tell lie between me and my friend. Enjoy myself.
You see that?
Me not tell lie, me enjoy myself. Me like me go. Me tired, but me enjoy myself. Me go on yacht, jet ski, party, strip club. Bro, me enjoy myself, bro. Me never know such a life nice, but I just want money.
Oh, say they call me over weekend.
Eh?
You call me over weekend?
So me not call them money. You tell me say, you busy man. I'ma call you. I give me attitude.
You never call me and message me.
Me message you, but you not check. You would even check up on me and say if me a drown or nothing.
I'm for check up on you and up on my timeline, me see what's going on. I thought we were closer than that.
What I mean? What your timeline?
A pure kissing on the timeline. You
Whoa,
bingo.
whoa,
You bingo.
whoa.
People are this me I talk about. Back to the story. You can't mute me.
Yo, me have mute bro. Me can't take them something. Me are reason. We are too adult. We are big people,
I'm
bro.
not adult, you know.
Yeah, what?
He's a kid.
Yo, me here we are. So we are me bingo. You know let me not play bingo?
Well, your daddy play checkers or draft.
No, me I play draft. Cause I can't go back to my past.
Sometimes you have to back take, front take.
Yo, where you say I go on now? Where you say who I get kissed? Can me not see them something you know?
You want to look like me, I complain about your kissing now. I better go
No,
back to my
me a
story.
reason, my friend. Who I get kissed?
Buddy, I go back to my story.
I'm telling you, bro, you know, we're upon the app, my dog, 'cause you know I love you, you know, dog. And every time I feel like I want to lie to you, bro, it my heart hurt. So, me understand the truth. We just upon the app, bro, and, you know, Mama kiss up on my jaw and say, Swiss, I love you. I really appreciate everything that you done for me and you come here and make me feel love. That's why, you know, she does jump, bro, and we just like, enjoy herself, bro, but it's not really serious to you to worry about, babe, because,
No, I'm not worried, my love. I'm not worried.
yeah, just relax yourself, me talking, bro. Can you love
I'm
go like
not
that?
worried. No, baby, I'm not worried.
Me hear me talking.
Sis, I love this for you, though. I'm not worried. Don't you ever say that.
Alright then, baby. But me just tell you, son, I know what people are saying, you see me? Yeah, because if it's something what people are saying, I'm a woman, I just come bold and say, you know, sir, but she rate me, bro. She love me, bro. You see me? But I'm a G. I'm a G. You see me? Good girl. She just want to win.
So
Just
more
like,
you lose.
just
More
like,
you lose. So
eh?
more you lose. More you lose.
No, B.
So
No,
more
B.
you blood clot lose. So
No,
she a
B.
G. I mean, what? Me
Eh?
ex.
No, B. You mad? What's X? Yeah, B. You come
Me
before.
a K then. Me a K.
No, B. I'm a B. You come before.
Oh.
I want you to be, I'm tell you the truth, bro. Me don't want you to see what go on in the media and believe everything in the media. Because everything in
Let
the
me a
media,
say. Let me a say. You know what is you to me? You's a P.
yeah, me a pussy.
You's a pussy. I'm never come as a complain or hypocrite with you.
Yo,
Go away for go away.
yo, anytime you feel like you have a look cute, this you go on. But me a raise with you, because me a big man, you know.
A blood clot.
Yo,
Swiss
hear
and
me
a
out,
seven
now. Hear me out, son of babes, and stop move like you have babes.
Swiss me a hot girl, you know.
Babe, me know that. Me know you're a hot girl.
Me a go for go man. Me a hot girl. You're the palm.
Me know you're a hot girl, more. Me never say you're a fat
Like a
girl.
blood clot.
Watch on, babes. You know, so just let them, babe. I'm just enjoy
Blood
myself.
clot, the girls. I'm telling you, one of the Billy man them. Nobody never want them to the blood clot want them, but go on Swiss. Go on a blood clot. See, can you see when the doll pop out? Remember, not virtual.
Don't hurt me like that. Don't hurt me like that, babes.
Who hurt you like that, babes? You're a friend.
Who your friend? So we left?
Me never there. No, but let me tell you now, as a G to a G,
No, me I
as
make
a
a
B,
circle. Me I
as
make
a
a
B to a
circle.
P, as a B to a P. When I pussy a thing, my dog. Love boy go and fear, you know.
Yo, just big up yourself, man. Me I cut, bro. You see me?
So you can't, you're not about to reason.
No, man, I'm not about one reason, man.
So you cut me off. So you disrespect my dad.
No, I'm not disrespect you, bro. Cause watch on my dog. Me think you was my rider there that understand. I mean, understand you. You understand?
Me used to ride. Me used to ride. Me do the right part.
But
The die part, me not
yo,
die.
love chat, my brother. You chat too much, bro.
No blood clot
Love
shot.
chat, bro. Me talk,
And
me
you
talk, bro.
one whole weekend, you not call the doll. And your blood clot come resignate righteous upon life, like say. Me say that,
So dal, your phone no work.
I'm phone for work and you busy. Are you busy?
But you not call me either.
You may call you for you have a grandson up in heaven. I do the blood clot cha-cha like your Backstreet Boys. In your shine boot. Then if you call you. Me not call you girl, Switzerland. You have to call me.
But Rebellet, you could have called me, Rebellet. You could have called me.
No, me believe if I get my grand time. Me not call no boy.
So, I mean, if you do all calling and all run down
At this
thing.
point, of course.
May I fix it? May I fix it?
What you fix?
Eh?
What you fix?
Yeah, yo.
I want to fix. I want to fix. Stay with Crystal. I don't even know if that's Crystal it brand. Crystal have a vibe. See, Crystal can part. I think more on tick, man.
Just circle. Just circle, because this not gonna work, you know. This not gonna work. I better me just find one woman for real and just bring her to the internet, because they might kill me with blood clot crystal. They might kill me with crystal. I say all men and girl are there. They might kill me with, bro, I say they might kill me there. So you know what I do? Me I find one woman and bring her come on the forefront. And me and her there every day, sit down right as I say, babes, beg taps and rose. Beg lion and beg them something there. Which girl want me? No, I never cut left her because she has style me now. I said she want a thick man. She has style me now. I said she want one thick man. You just a rebel thick man for you that. You just a rebel thick man for clown. Blood clot the way, man.
Hey, sweetheart.
What you mean? What you mean you want a thick man? I don't mean that's a made.
Sis.
A Lulu you attack?
Jesus Christ. What you say? What?
How about you?
What you say?
How about you?
I want to call me. What you say, Bolulu?
Me say for Lulu, you say I want thick man, me ask for Lulu. Come know you're dangerous, you got hurt me now.
Mother never fuck your friend. Them fucking bright team look like waste girl. Me have time to prove point to you, man.
Chris Gale, I'm a friend to you now.
More than I move on with my life, I'm happy. I some blood clot desperate for hurt you. For what? Swiss, you don't know I'm full of man to like dog.
Why? My body.
That's Swiss. Oh, me for what you name there? Oh, go fuck your friend. You out of here? Let me just wrap you up and move on.
Bro, I'm not live. Just bring it up every time, bro. Me pick it up.
So everything what I got with Lulu, me just left and move on, Chris.
No, everything good, man, Rebel. You say you don't want me, bro. And
Then I come just like me do something wrong.
me not say
Yeah?
you no wrong, bro. Me not, bro. I'm gonna tell you, bro. You don't have a reason ability where we can
Me
settle
no
down
have the
things.
ability. Me no have the ability. And that's why me love your blood clot. If you do the things, them and come apologize, make this a reach me. Fuck me. See the woman of this me I telling about. Sometimes when the boy them do the things them one time. Sometimes when the boy them do the things them one time, if you run them. Cause watch Dr. Sis now I come through and get in my eye timeline. I mean I'm probably for that.
Watch B. You're going
I
to
jump
be.
up on one Rasta man. And the car don't talk about then also some come reason with shit good girl.
Oi, one time man, me see a wine pan. One time man,
I'm
me
a
see a
blood
wine
clot
pan.
job. But that wasn't your job
Me
on the
keep them
boat.
on buckler. Me see a wine pan, man, a man blow smoke in your mouth. And you tell me, say, your friend and me not say, no. And nobody not see that. Where you tell me, say, Rami, show me the video, me can't go for the video now. Man, I blow smoke in your mouth, out of female, and blow back in your mouth, and see you. You ever see no one blow smoke in my buckler mouth?
Sis, me not argue with you.
What?
It is what it blood go back to soul. It is what it is.
I am a hot girl.
Swiss,
You know
me
the
not want to see
nothing. I am not
Swiss,
this. Go
Swiss,
ahead.
Swiss. Me not argue with your blood clot about no girl. Come rusting in your membrane. Me not ask for somebody where you see virtually no blood clot.
Me come to Jamaica, me bombo.
You're crazy.
Yo, you come to the Beirut attack. What you talking about? You're crazy.
Swiss, just have your fun. Try to make Merca Embassy grant me. Can you see me tap in a foreign? The big dog is here. So I'm going to kill myself over one. I'm going to have your fun, angle it. I'm glad to say you're not a batty man. Fuck out the things that I'm going to enjoy yourself. You crazy? Just me not argue about a woman, but just say I just respect. Come on, there be a girl instead of a batty boy.
So me I said to yourself.
Somebody will be and grew up with you and a blood clot limit. I mean, I love it.
But be on me.
And every time I make a company ignore internet, I argue about other girls. And other girls nah bother me.
Be it's alright. Look how much money you usually give me and me hold it out. And me are cool.
You come like Shaggy, it was me and never you yet.
No, me say me, be my admit that one. Okay, no, be me tell you, me a big man. My admit that one. And me.
Blood clot much.
And me be.
You kiss too much. Me know you. Me not blind.
And me not run from that one. And me, man. And me.
Soon you have a blood clot me.
And me, man. But I know me screen record. I know me post my people. So now me I put her up front. And people post.
And you don't have no shame.
Be me say be all when me and them still catch up on the camera. When I tell him she kiss me, me say no. Don't be for sure, babes. When I tell him, Mr. Jesus Christ, rebel not gonna like this and Tina is them. Yeah. Remember Tina is my wife and Tia and Coco and Ashley see that Coco just reach. Coco said one land program.
You don't see an limit. I mean, start make you feel like blood clot tap man and start doing the things them.
No, be
You
not.
don't say that. No, man. Never do the things them, man.
No, not do me things them. Not do me things them, babes.
No, man. This can hear you want to size up. So make a size up with both gender. Only clear dog. Easy. Give me 2 day max.
What you gonna do?
Cause come like say you forget say me attract both gender. But the blood clot you tell me about 44 for.
No, be if you go look one girl, no. If you want
I
girl,
don't give up love. Hey, don't you know what?
yes, if you want girl, they on live, that not gonna hurt me.
No. Me I tell you say, me I go lick your chip.
No, if you want girl upon live, bro, it's girl. But yes, if you go upon
I mean,
live,
I tell about a girl. Me go lick your chip. I mean, no, oh, me go lick your chip. I mean, go lick it hot.
if you want to.
Believe. Say me go lick it hot. Cause someone who will love up, I couldn't want to couldn't that boy too much. Your own third man. We are comfortable about other woman after me there so much years, man. TikTok I build with grounds.
No, but that you gonna say you know about 44 and you know about 38 and you are this. So you change up your mouth already for me last week, you couldn't reason about that. Come to the Beirut a junk you.
Beirut cannot junk me. Me and you build for how much years over you married. have much for picnic. If you come tell me about 12 blood clots, why I never know what I live to see this. See the fuck coming.
Bobby, but a long time I don't see you, babes. A long time I don't see you. I told you step out, look at somebody step in.
Oh.
Look how long I don't see up on them side there. Be my cool see you now here, for you be a miss here saying a party, a boom flick and a flick per man. And I jump up on man and me up here like me I eat that. Maybe do what I'm telling me, do what do me. If you have a fix the relationship, babes, we two will fix it. But I never was here. You walk out on me and don't text me for months. Go about your business, jumping and flicking and booming for months and flicking and talk about that's your work. And I say, okay, are you work? Go on do your work. What you mean?
Yo, fuck up. Can you hear me?
Yo, mock up.
Yeah, oh, you meet me fuck up.
Eh?
You know, say this is my job, fuck up.
Yeah.
See? So you meet me fuck up.
Yeah.
Now do my thing.
Yeah.
Your job is to have blood clot 12 wife.
Eh?
You hear me?
Alright,
Your job is to have 12 blood clot wife.
Mock up. You know what I'm saying? Mock up. Let me tell you. You know something just there one day. I'm say, me just tired I get hurt. I'm just saying,
I want you.
Wait no mock up, me go slam in your head. Wait no man, you not reach your head yet. I'm just saying, no, my tells me just going to one photosynthesis relationship where me talk to more than one woman. If one hurt me, I turn to the next one and she will help me and then we get over.
Okay, so now that say sweetheart.
No, listen to me tell you how it go now. And me just go so boom. And me say start work now. Me tell you now. When we go realize you know, you really not look for me like one time me and say, oh God.
So why you come back?
Eh?
Why you come back?
Call my phone and ring. I mean of communication, me I try everything.
So me not look for you, why you come back?
I just say go, it's when a man love, he really love. You understand? I saw we see as man, sometimes we just go out with no love, but deep in our heart, the phone a ring. I just say go.
Yeah, what? You say your love, you come with too much.
Eh? No, sir.
Your love come with too much, you want really?
No, sir, you know really coming up, you know. Come on, my friend. Fuck up. Hey, Mr. Fuck up, man, I tell you, fuck up. You're cute, you know. You're cute.
I've heard.
Huh? You what?
I've heard that.
That you cute?
Yeah, I got a lot of compliment before you came on. I got my peoples.
No, I'm not telling you like that. Hear the fit, baby.
I know.
That's the compliment no more.
No, I don't have to take anything from you.
No, seriously, no. I take your advice. You hearing me?
Loud and clear.
I take your advice, and they're coming out soon. Okay?
I don't give a fuck. Next thing, girl, I'm going to take over a company. I look at you, I gonna look like me never do nothing. I don't give a fuck what you want to do. That me I tell you no ladies, stop dealing with the dirty boy, them my wicked. Fuck man.
Why would you want to fuck on me?
I fuck by a long time. So I'm not really vexed when I see a day thing. So real, no blood clot, so real. So I can't really vex when I day thing. Can I fuck you know? I fuck. It's alright though, you know we got hurt. You not see me fucking you, so I can't burn you. But this is
So real, bro. So real. So real, bro. She off a circle me for that one there. Must she give her the pussy, bro. I mean, no, she a fuck for you, because last night I dream, you know. Last night I dream. Some man a rebel upon a hard back shot. Nah ball, sis. Nah ball, man. I just a hold of meds. Nah ball. Me a tough up my thing.
Yeah, general style.
And last night I dream some man a give rebel a hard back shot. Told the man a give rebel a hard back shot. The man a stab out rebel belly.